So today we're gonna be replacing iPhone 11 screen. So first of all, we start taking the screws out of the lining entrance. So after that we take the screws out, we start lifting the screen. It was already lifted, so it was easy to take that out. And it was broke, so because this client broke it, so the Face ID won't work anymore because as you can see it was broke, it was tear up. So then we start taking the screws out because for the first the first thing that we have to do when we're replacing a screen, we have to unplug the battery, and then we keep going taking the screws out of their phone because we need to take the old screen wires. Some screw was losing the magnet, and I was in the right corner. There is a magnet thing that you, when your screws aren't working properly, you can put it there and they will get the magnet again. So after we disconnect all the wires of the old screen, we have to that was the other part of the Face ID and the ear speaker and the front camera. So we had to take that out of the old screen to put it in a new screen. I was looking for the screen for an iPhone 11. So we start taking the blue plastic out and start putting back the that's the front camera and the ear speaker, and as well the it is connected to the Face ID. So I like to put the screws from of this part by one side and the screws for the other things in the other corner, so I cannot get confused, and it's easy to put them all. So this screw was making me some struggles because the magnet of my screwdriver is not good enough. I don't know why it wasn't working. I was trying to put the screws again in. So we start putting the new screen connected, the LCD, and put the battery on. So after we connect all the wires from the new LCD, we have to turn it, try to turn it on. Sometimes um the these iPhones don't turn on the first time, so I was trying to make sure it was well placed, and then I put the lining in, so then it will turn on. You can see now. Yeah, it turned on, but you can see the screen was logging, so I had to replace that screen because it was not working good, and I had to return this screen back from where I got it because it was lagging. It's not working right. It is not. So I was taking the screws out again, and so I take a new screen, and now I'm gonna put back the front camera and the earboard speaker. So I'm putting back putting back the screen to the iPhone to see if it will turn on. So after I connect all the new wires from the screen, I have to wait till it turns on because it was dead. So it may take some minutes sometimes to turn on. So we'll find out how many times it would take for this phone to turn on. And don't forget to put all the screws and the protectors back again so it will resist any damage. You won't disconnect easily. So it's turning on, then it just turned on, so we have to make sure this screen works. So I start trying to press all the buttons and to see if the screen is good. It was not logging at all, so I tried to start touching all the screen. And don't forget to put the screws that we took out from the lining part, because it's secure for the screen. All the time start putting the screen from the top to the bottom, because it will lock easily. It will fit perfectly. Thank you.